Hi guys, welcome to Tarla Dalal's kitchen. I am Chef Janvi and today I am going to make a very easy and quick recipe Russian salad. This salad is made by combining parboiled vegetables with mayonnaise and cream. I am sure everybody loves mayonnaise, so let's start making it. To make the Russian salad, we will first take parboiled vegetables. Here I have used carrots, potatoes, French beans and green peas. Parboiling not only cooks them but retains the color and the crunch of the vegetables. Now I'll add some mayonnaise. Fresh cream, salt to taste, and pepper. Let's mix it quickly. Look how nice and creamy this looks. I can't wait to taste it. You see how easy this was? Give this salad a variation by adding some salad leaves, or you can make a quick cold sandwich. So do try the recipe at home and let us know how you liked it.
Download the Tarla Dalal app on your Apple and Android devices. Follow us on the Facebook and tarladalal.com.